In this video, we will cover the advanced functions of APCS. Let's get started. Edge blending is a key function for multi-projector setups. First, access edge blending from the menu and select Picture Split. We will use 2 projectors in this example, so set the row and column to 1, 2. Once your projector settings are complete, open Edge Blending, select the layout area, and drag projectors from the left list to their corresponding positions. Select your target projector, then adjust the overlapping area and picture borders as needed. You may also click Color Adjust to fine-tune the blending band, or apply adjustments to all devices in one click. Geometric correction supports both single and multi-projector setups with a 33-33 correction grid. In this video, we will take single projector for geometric correction as example. The template creation process is the same as for edge blending, selecting the layout area and drag projectors to their corresponding position. Edit your projector. Then you can adjust the correction parameters.